Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn networking script using Loom videos, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your home feed or profile. Identify the connections you want to reach out to. Consider who would benefit from a personal touch. Open Loom on your browser or application. Click on the new video button to start recording. Select the screen or webcam option based on your preference. If using a screen recording, choose the specific tab or window that shows your LinkedIn profile. If using a webcam, position yourself against a clean background. Hit the record button and begin your introduction. Greet your recipient with their name to personalize the message. Briefly explain why you are reaching out to them. Mention any recent interactions or shared interests. Keep your message concise, ideally under 2 minutes. Use positive, engaging language throughout your message. End with a clear call to action, like scheduling a chat. Once finished, stop the recording. Review your video to ensure clarity and professionalism. If satisfied, click Finish to save your video. After saving, Loom will provide a shareable link. Copy this link for your next step. Return to LinkedIn and locate the connection. Craft a short message to accompany the link. Paste the Loom video link in your message. Make sure to include a brief explanation about the video. Send the message and repeat the process for other connections. Monitor your messages for responses and engage promptly. This personalized approach will strengthen your LinkedIn network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.